Hey guys, welcome to WILDsides. Today we'll be learning how to do a reach and throw rescue. Let's get right to it. This is Sam. Sam is drowning. I'm going to use the reach method. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lay flat on the ground so he cannot pull me in. Now I will extend my left hand out for Sam to grab. And I will pull him to safety. Saved. This is Zane. Zane is drowning. I'm going to use the throw method to save him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this throwing device and throw it beyond him. Now that I've done that, I will pull it in his direction. To your left, left. And once he grabs on, I pull him safely ashore. Oh, I'm so glad you're okay. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed learning how to do the reach and throw rescue. My name's Jack. Be nimble, be quick, and I'll see you next time. I've been expecting you. Hello, and welcome to WILDsides.